Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy Greek salad. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. This recipe reminds me of a holiday the wife and I once took to the island of Zakynthos, where my wife monumentally embarrassed herself in a bar. I can't tell you what she did, my lips have been sealed on pain of death. But if you ever meet her and she starts giving you grief, give her a knowing wink and a smile and whisper the words, Zakynthos. That'll have the same effect on my wife as garlic does on Dracula. Anyway, on with the cooking. Using a sharp knife, slice the tomatoes into small cubes and place in a suitably sized bowl. No, I haven't told him what you did in Zakynthos. I know the barmaid needed counselling, but that was 20 odd years ago. I'm sure she's over it now. When you finish with the tomatoes, it's time to slice the onion. Next is the turn of the cucumber. Simply cut in half, use a teaspoon to scoop out the seeds, then cut also into small cubes. Then it's on to the feta cheese, and you've guessed it, cut into small cubes. Next we add the black olives, followed by 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of good olive oil and 2 teaspoons of dry oregano, then salt and pepper to taste. Then it's in with your hands and give everything a good mix. And there you have it, easy Greek salad. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and hopefully we'll see you soon again in the next one. Bye for now.